Welcome to our 5-day course on knee replacement safe exercises. During this class, we are going to go through a series of progressive and gentle exercises designed to be very safe for your knee replacement, but still build a level of fitness and strength in your lower body. My name is Dr. Benjamin Stevens, and I will be your instructor. I have been a chiropractor for over a decade and a personal trainer for over 20 years. My job is to help people like you live with less pain and more fitness while still respecting their aches and pains. When you are done this course, you'll have a stronger lower body with no more risk to your knee replacement, and you'll also have an understanding of some exercises you can do on your own time to continually make progress. This is a 5-day course designed to be done in approximately 20 minutes per day. On each of these days, you'll simply follow along with me. I will first tell you about the exercise, demonstrate it, make sure you understand it, and then I'm going to do the exercises along with you. All you have to do is follow with me. This class is perfect for you if you've had a knee replacement and you're wanting to get back to your previous activities and previous fitness levels, but you're unsure of where to begin and want to make sure that you proceed safely. If this sounds like you and you're ready to get started, sign up today and I'll see you inside the class.